Here are a few home remedies you can try to soften your hands like a baby. Coconut oil. Apply a generous amount of pure coconut oil to your hands and massage it in for a few minutes. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that help moisturize and nourish the skin. Leave it on for about 30 minutes or overnight for maximum benefits. Avocado mask. Mash up a ripe avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture to your hands and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse off. Vaseline. Add 1 tablespoon Vaseline and 1 tablespoon baking soda. Mix it well and apply the mixture on your hands and massage it gently. Wash your hands with lukewarm water. You will get amazing results. Yellow sugar. Take 1 tablespoon yellow sugar and add juice of 1 lemon. Apply it on your hands. Massage it gently for about 15 minutes. Repeat this for 3 days. Your hands will become so smooth. Milk and honey. Mix equal parts of milk and honey to create a moisturizing hand mask. Apply the mixture to your hands and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Milk contains lactic acid, which helps exfoliate and soften the skin. Lemon. Take a bowl and add some lukewarm water into it. Add half lemon into the water. Rub the lemon on your hands. Soak your hands for about 5 minutes. Your hands will become so soft. Turmeric mask. Add 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Add 1/4 tablespoon turmeric and add 1/2 lemon juice. Mix it well and apply it to your hands for about 5 minutes. Leave it for 30 minutes, then wash your hands. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your hands and massage it in for a few minutes. Aloe vera is known for its hydrating and healing properties, making it an effective remedy for dry and damaged skin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.